Hello everyone and welcome to your weekend news update. I'm Garima, bringing you the latest stories from across Canada. From severe weather in British Columbia to major diplomatic moves, security warnings, immigration updates, and new funding for research. Here are the top 5 stories making headlines this weekend. Canada appoints a new ambassador to the United States. Heavy rains triggers flooding alerts in BC's Fraser Valley. Security officials warn of foreign espionage in universities. Immigration bill may lead to study permits cancellations. Canada launches a $1.2 billion fund to attract global research talent. Canada appoints new ambassador to United States. Canada has a new ambassador in Washington. Prime Minister Mark Carney has appointed a senior diplomat with strong financial and global experience. The move comes at a crucial time for Canada-US relations. The new ambassador will play a key role in trade talks, security cooperation, and cross-border issues, and is expected to begin work immediately. Heavy rains overwhelm Fraser Valley. Parts of BC's Fraser Valley are dealing with serious flooding after heavy rainfall. Rivers and low-lying areas have reached dangerous levels, leading to road closures and evacuation alerts. Surrey Mayor Brenda Locke is urging residents to remain alert and prepared. Emergency crews are monitoring water levels and clearing debris, while officials warn that travel disruptions may continue throughout the weekend. Security chiefs warn of foreign espionage in universities. Canada's national security leaders are raising concerns about foreign espionage targeting universities. Research labs, academic programs, and student networks are increasingly being targeted for sensitive information. Universities are tightening security measures, and students and staff are being advised to stay cautious. Officials say protecting academic innovation is now a national security priority. Immigration bill could impact study permits. A proposed immigration bill could significantly affect international students in Canada. Under Bill C-12, authorities would have expanded powers to revoke study permits, particularly in cases involving suspected fraud. While the bill aims to protect the integrity of the system, universities warn that thousands of students could be impacted. Students are encouraged to stay informed as the bill moves forward. Canada launches $1.2 billion Research Talent Fund. The federal government has announced a $1.2 billion fund to attract top academic and research talent from around the world. The initiative will support universities, research institutions, and high-tech industries, helping Canada compete globally for leading minds. Officials say the move will drive innovation, economic growth, and new opportunities for students and professionals alike. That's your weekend news update. Stay safe, informed, and we'll be back next weekend with more stories from across Canada.